Hey guys, it's Chester Donath from Donath Outdoors, and today I'm going to go over a really quick and really simple way to cook deer loin. Okay, today this recipe is going to be over an open fire, but you can easily do this with a grill. It'll be a lot easier, so you can keep track of temperature and you can turn it up and down, and you can kind of contain that fire. Whereas today I'm going to be doing it over a campfire just to show you how easy it is to do. There are lots of ways to do this. There's all kinds of recipes all over the internet, and you can get as complex as you want to, but it's really hard to make deer loin not taste good because it's just such a wonderful cut of meat, and it's so easy to prepare. The only thing that you can really do to really mess it up is to overcook it. So today I'm going to be cooking this a little bit more well done than I'd really typically cook it. I'm going to want it to be a little bit more rare if I'm going to serve it to myself, if I'm making it for myself, or if I'm serving it to other people that are, more familiar with wild game. But for the kids, they really don't want to see a lot of blood running out of it, just a pink strip. And more than that, and they'll kind of complain. So I am going to cook it pretty much well done. And so you can cook it to whatever specification you'd like. I mean, if you like it more rare, cook it more rare. If you like it more well done, cook it more well done. You can do this to any liking that you want, any amount of heat you want to apply. You just need to watch it, especially if you're gonna want it more rare. You're not gonna want to cook it as long as I do in this video. The spices that I use, I bought on the internet, and they are in a container. They're already mixed together, and you can certainly mix and match whatever kind of recipe you want to do, whatever kind of flavorings you want to do. You start with your salt and your pepper, and you can kind of go from there, kind of whatever you want. I'm watching the baby, I'm staying at home, but I got to cook some supper for when the kids get off of school. So I just want to do it really quick, and I just want to show you how easy it is to kind of cook wild game for a weeknight meal. It's not this huge complex things. We got this stuff in the freezer. It's really high quality, awesome, healthy meat, and we're going to get it served to the family. If you are doing this over a campfire, you want to get started well ahead of time and get a nice bed of coals. If using a typical barbecue grill, you want your settings at high. Now, to prep your meat for the grill or campfire. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get rid of all the silver skin and any tendons or ligaments that's on the meat. I like to coat the meat in some Worcestershire sauce, and it really helps that rub to stick better and gives it a nice flavor. For this recipe, I'm going to be using chupacabra rub. I can only find it on the internet, and it goes very well with wild game. Using your fingers, gently cover the entire loin with the rub. I'm then going to wrap in some aluminum foil coated with a thin layer of olive oil. Now these dudes are ready for the fire. Put your setting on high heat and cook for 2 minutes. Then turn and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Then repeat and cook on both sides for 2 minutes, one more additional time. If you like it very rare, this is probably going to be enough. To control your doneness, continue to flip and cook on 2 minutes at a time until your desired level of doneness.
serve hot, and enjoy. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button for further videos. Thanks for watching.